All right, Sarah, so you have so many great scones that you offer here, including the traditional royal scones, which I've never had an English scone.
Yes.
Tell me all about it and why yours are so special, and then I want to give it a little try.
Okay, so traditional British scones are made with milk and butter, and American scones are made with heavy cream, egg, and butter.
Oh.
So that's the big difference.
Okay.
Traditional scones are a little drier than American scones are, and then the savory scones are made with buttermilk, egg, and butter. So that's the difference between the three different types.
Do you have a lot of demand for the English scones?
Yes, if people have been to England or if they're from the UK, they come here and get their British scones because you can't find anything else in town like that.
Okay.
So the way that you eat them, we make Devonshire cream in-house and we make the lemon curd in-house. We do get the jam from one of our vendors.
So all three go in the scone?
You can put all three. Typically in England what they do is they put the Devonshire cream and then they put the lemon curd or the jam, and that's how they eat it with their tea. Now it depends. I mean, some people put the jam on first and then put the cream on, so it depends on where you're from. But we do the cream first and then either the jam or the lemon curd.
Okay.
So you would slice it this way.
All right. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then just pop it open.
Like our biscuits.
It does. It's very close to a biscuit. And then you take the Devonshire cream, and then you would spread some on one. You can spread it on one side. You can eat it like a sandwich, so you can spread it and then put the top back on it, or you can eat it separate. Yes, and then take either the curd or the jam, whichever you like better.
I want my jam in the middle. All right.
Okay, and then you just spread that on top. And then you can either sandwich it and eat it, or you can...
Let's go all the way. Let's do the full Monty here.
Okay.
Okay, so then this goes on top?
Sure, if you want it on top, you can eat it however you want.
All right, I'm gonna have to use a fork. So what is your favorite scone?
I do love the traditional British scone because I'm addicted to the cream and the curd.
And you make that all
We make the cream and the curd in-house. And as a cottage, we couldn't do that. We couldn't sell this scone. So we sold the scone by itself, but we didn't sell the jam or the cream or the curd.
It's all so good. It's really good.
Thank you.
Thank you.